Hello friends. Today we're embarking on a thrilling quest to unravel the mystery of the Great Recession. It's a tale about a time when grown-ups faced some wacky challenges with their money. But fear not, for we shall make this journey delightfully entertaining and filled with valuable lessons. Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, there lived a mischievous creature called the Great Recession. It appeared in 2008, surprising everyone like a playful unicorn jumping out of a cereal box. Grown-ups loved playing a game called Economy, but during the Great Recession, the game got a little wild and turned everything into a colorful whirlwind. The Great Recession started because some grown-ups got carried away playing a silly game of make-believe with money. It was like a big game of pretend mansion, where they pretended they had enough money for fancy cars and chocolate fountains. But, oh dear, they didn't have enough coins in their piggy banks to make those dreams come true. Their pretend game made the grown-ups feel like they were swimming in a sea of gold coins, like Scrooge McDuck from the cartoons. But just like when you build a sandcastle too close to the shore, a giant wave came crashing down and washed away their imaginary wealth. When the grown-ups couldn't pay for the things they bought, it caused a bit of chaos. It was like trying to fit an elephant into a tiny clown car, quite a sight. They had borrowed money from banks, and when they couldn't give it back, the banks got worried. It's like when you lend your toy car to a friend and they don't return it. Banks are just like careful toy car lenders. During the Great Recession, many grown-ups lost their jobs. It was as surprising as finding out that your favorite superhero forgot how to fly. Without jobs, they couldn't earn money to buy cookies or cool gadgets. It made everyone feel like they were stuck in a world without sprinkles. Sad times, indeed. To prevent future recurrences, we must learn from our mistakes, my friends. Grown-ups need to play the money game fairly and honestly, just like playing tag in the park. They should be careful not to spend more money than they have, just like you count your candy stash to make sure you have enough for the whole week. Governments and smart folks called economists have come up with new rules to keep the economy strong and healthy. It's like adding extra toppings to your ice cream cone to make it even more delicious. They want to make sure the money game is fair for everyone and that no one eats all the ice cream before it melts. Another way to prevent future troubles is by saving money. It's like collecting shiny stickers for a rainy day. You never know when you'll need a little extra sparkle. Grown-ups can save money by skipping that fancy coffee once in a while and making their own at home. Plus they can learn to be super creative and make their own toys too. During the Great Recession, some grown-ups struggled to pay for their homes. It was like trying to fit a giant elephant into a tiny bathtub. But guess what? The government and kind-hearted people swooped in like a team of bath-time superheroes and created special programs to help them keep their homes safe and cozy. To prevent future troubles, grown-ups should also remember to share and help each other, just like sharing the last slice of pizza with your buddies. During the Great Recession, communities came together and held lemonade stands to help those in need. Together we can turn lemons into the sweetest lemonade ever. Education is essential in preventing future financial storms. Grown-ups should learn about money, how it works, and how to use it wisely. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first you might wobble, but soon enough, you'll be cruising along with confidence. By understanding money, they can pedal towards a brighter future. Remember friends, even though the Great Recession was a wild adventure, it taught everyone valuable lessons. By playing fair, saving money like a clever squirrel hiding acorns, helping others, and learning about the economy, we can create a world where money is a magical tool that brings joy and stability to our lives. Congratulations, my intrepid explorer. We've unraveled the secrets of the Great Recession, a time when grown-ups face wild challenges with their money. By learning from this whimsical story and embracing the lessons it holds, we can prevent future financial troubles and embark on a journey towards a world filled with laughter, prosperity, and ice cream parties. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.